Fl-aħħar snin ta' ħajtu, Mikhail Gorbachev kien diżappuntat u frustrat dwar kif ir-relazzjonijiet bejn ir-Russja u l-Ukrajna u anke bejn ir-Russja u l-Ewropa kienu sejrin mill-ħażin għall-agħar. Tkellem dwar dan minn Mosca ma' News Pavel Palazhchenko, li għal snin twal kien l-interpretu ewlieni ta' Gorbachev u l-kelliem u lit il-leminija tiegħu fil-Fondazzjoni Gorbachev, u esprima wkoll il-ħsieb tiegħu li dan id-diżappunt kbir seta' affettwalu saħħtu b'tali mod li saħansitra qassarlu ħajtu.
He believed that the conflict, the differences should have been handled diplomatically. He always believed in diplomatic and political solutions. And so it was, for him, something that I think even affected his health, frankly, and maybe shortened his life.
Palazhchenko qal li dak li qed jiġri fil-vant tal-Ewropa sfortunatament poġġa fil-periklu dak kollu li kien kiseb Gorbachev. Minkejja dan, Gorbachev baqa' ottimist dwar il-ġejjieni.
He believed that Russia should be part of Europe, should be part of a global world. He believed that Russia had a lot to contribute to the world. And so even though he was disappointed and frustrated, I think he was not depressed, he was not ruined, he was not destroyed by that, because he was a person who believed in the future.
Dwar Gorbachev u Malta, Palazhchenko qal li wara li ġie hawnhekk għas-summit mal-President Amerikan George Bush, Gorbachev baqa' dejjem jiftakar lil pajjiżna b'għoża kbira.
Well, definitely each time when the word Malta was mentioned, he remembered both the meeting with President Bush, but also the preparations and the great storm that happened to us.
Palazhchenko qal li Gorbachev dejjem kien iħobb ifakkar li l-pjanijiet kienu li hu Bush jiltaqgħu fuq bastimenti tal-qawwiet navali tagħhom. Iżda forsi kien Alla nnifsu li jrid jikkoreġilhom dik id-deċiżjoni billi bagħtilhom dik il-maltempat enormi li għamlitilhom impossibbli li jitilgħu abbord dawk il-bċejjeġ tal-baħar militari. Minflok kellhom jitilgħu fuq vapur tat-turisti Sovjetiku li kien qed iservi bħala residenza għad-delegazzjoni Sovjetika. Palazhchenko li kien Malta ma' Gorbachev waqt il-laqgħa għolja tal-1989 qal li kien kuntent li reġa' żar Malta 3 snin ilu, feluq 30 sena minn dak l-avveniment.
I must say I was very happy to revisit Malta a few years ago for the celebration of the 30th anniversary of that summit. And I'm very happy that Malta is preserving the memories of that summit